GameStop dumpster haul, guys. Holy cow, guys. It was really crazy. It's been raining for the past days here in Chicago, guys, and it's super annoying, especially having, my phone out and our equipment, trying to record, it's going to get damaged. So we decided just to grab the bags and bring it back to our spot.
Yeah, and it's really annoying because we find good stuff and then it's all soaking wet and it's pretty much ruined.
Yeah, and that's hard. But
luckily, these two bags were kept pretty dry in the dumpster.
Yeah, so we're pretty lucky with these, and they're on top of boxes, so luckily it wasn't touching the bottom,
yeah.
So, for sure, So let's get to it, man.
This one, look at this one. This one has
oh, yeah, guys, there's stuff in here, guys. This thing's heavy.
Look at that. You can see all those Xbox
Dude, I can't wait to
pieces.
open this.
Dude, look at that.
There's a lot
Even
of
on
stuff
the bottom.
Holy cow,
that's
dude.
insane.
Open these bad boys.
Let's open that one first, because this one I know is going to be
Save the best
exciting.
for last?
Yeah.
Save the best for last.
But this one's also super heavy, too.
Open that bad boy. Let's see what we got. Dude, it's so exciting.
Yeah, no, look at this. Look, oh, we already got
Dude, a bunch of stuff.
Oh, my God. Look at all that. No There's definitely a game in that one.
Jack,
this is,
dude, it's like a Squirrel Games.
Look at this. This is...
Dude, complete.
Lego Batman.
Oh, it's a little scratched up, but dude, we got that
still
machine.
work, right?
We have that machine.
Yeah, that should
bought.
still work. 360. Nice control that console. First game of the night, and this was on the Rampage. We got a ton more to look through. Look at all that.
Holy cow, we got.
Yo, these feel like they're in there. Oh, damn! Madden 11. Check that one out. Pretty scratched up.
But don't pass it through the machine to clean it up, guys.
NHL 13, and that one feels like it's in there too. Ooh, damn, I'm not gonna check like every game.
And there's a code here if you guys have this. Here's it.
We're not gonna check the back of the game because we got a ton more cases to look through. We got Xbox One cases, Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Dude, I love this game.
Best game ever.
Nah, Black Ops 4.
Yeah, true. Black Ops.
Alright, what else? We got more. We got like 3 cases. Look at all that. PS4 cases. Those are all empty, I think. Right?
Yeah.
Let's see this one too. Let's look at these cases. Madden 13, it feels like that's in there. Oh, bam. Code 2.
Remember when this game came out, it was so hype.
Yeah, but most of these games are worth, these are worth like 25 cents maybe.
Yeah, they're not worth. That's what sports came like.